A truck tackling a treacherous road. A man sawing through a massive tree. Experience the challenge, like share, comment, and subscribe for more intense moments. Whoa, now that's next level thinking. They slapped a drive shaft right onto the trailer. That's some serious problem solving right there. You don't see this every day, especially with how tricky this terrain is. The Euro really is strong. Man, it's always a challenge getting stuck in the mud. But when that Cat 16 drags the dozer out, like it's nothing, that's some serious power. I mean, seriously, no one's expecting that kind of effortless pull. Totally blew my mind. Man, those guys were amazing. They were so skilled and worked together seamlessly. Seeing them in action, making sure everyone was safe and sound, was truly inspiring. It made me realize that even a task, like removing a tree, requires careful consideration and respect for the environment. We need to be mindful of the impact we have on nature. Imagine this. You've got a mountain of wood waste branches. Bogs you, maybe instead of it piling up and becoming a problem, you bring in the Heo Hat. This thing makes quick work of it all. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and it even saves you money on fuel. The Heo Hat. It's how you turn wood waste into a non-issue. Dude, it was insane. For a second, I thought it would get stuck. But nope, it kept going. I want to go. Check this out in Canada, folks. This 1987 Peterbilt 359 Classic is tearing through the bush near Vassar, Manitoba. With some serious power and sweet smoke billowing out, it's rocking a 3.4, 0.6 block Cat 4 to 5 engine. That final turn had me holding my breath, nearly thinking it tip over, but those logs held steady. Huge props to the owner for pulling it off. Love the exhaust setup that keeps things clean. This driver is crazy. Like a bull in a fine porcelain shop, no way. Transformers have rebelled. The boom was overloaded, and there was little counterweight. Luckily, no one was injured. Wow! Threading a loaded log truck through these tight curves with rock overhangs. That's some next level driving skill. Hats off to the driver. It's like playing Tetris with a massive machine. It's a pity that these Rupiah fighters are really fighting for safety. Hopefully, they will be given the spirit of sincerity to support their families. And boom, down comes